Need a carpet repair in Colorado Springs? We offer a full-service carpet restoration service, giving you a one-stop vendor in Colorado Springs for all your carpet solutions, from ripples and tears, burn holes, transition strip repair, tack strip replacement, power stretching and more. Improper carpet installation can lead to unsightly wrinkles in your carpet. Wrinkles and ripples in your carpet will damage the carpet backing, causing it to deteriorate. Our technicians can gently stretch your carpet to repair wrinkles before your carpet is permanently damaged. We are happy to help you. We will have your worn or damaged carpet looking as good as new. Call now. 719-488-2196. Visit us online. BerberCarpetRepairColoradosprings.com.